In this video, I will show you how to download and install ChatGPT on a desktop PC. Open your browser and search for ChatGPT for desktop. Visit the official OpenAI download page. You can download ChatGPT for Mac or Windows. Click on Download for Windows. Click on the Download button again. Now go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the installer. Click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Now click on the Sign In button. This will redirect you to your browser to sign in. Once logged in, you can begin using ChatGPT directly from your desktop. To find ChatGPT, go to your Windows search bar and type ChatGPT. Open it. By following these steps, you'll have ChatGPT running natively on your Windows PC, ready to assist with writing, brainstorming, and more.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.